With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have a question here. The reason for the exit of nerve cells from the cell cycle once after forming is option 1 absence of nucleus, option 2 absence of mitochondria, option C absence of centrosome, and option D absence of Golgi body. Okay, so we have to tell about why the nerve cells exit from the cell cycle. Nerve cells exit from the cell cycle. Okay. Now, let us take a look at the function of nucleus, mitochondria, centrosome, and Golgi body first. Then we will be able to understand which of the following causes the absence of cell cycle in nerve cells. Okay. First of all, nucleus. Now, it is basically the brain of cell. Nucleus is brain of the cell. It controls all the machinery of the cell. It contains genetic material, okay, and it is very much helpful in the cell cycle. Okay, it is very important in cell cycle. But it is also present in nerve cells. Okay, it is present in nerve cells. Alright, now the second option is absence of mitochondria. Now, what is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and it provides energy in the form of ATP. Okay, it produces energy by respiration. Okay, in the form of ATP. It helps in the formation of ATP, but it do not have any significant role in the process of cell cycle. Okay, so that's why it is not the correct answer, because it does not have any significant role in cell cycle. Option C is centrosome. Now, centrosome is directly related to cell cycle. Okay, the cell cycle, which is M phase and I phase. Cell cycle divided into two phases, M phase, I phase. I phase is the growing phase, M phase is the dividing phase. Okay, M phase contains prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. 4 phases are there in cell division. Okay, and in metaphase and anaphase, centrosome is must required. Okay, that's why it is important in cell cycle. Okay, and it is not present in nerve cells. That's why it is the main reason that nerve cells cannot enter the cell cycle. They exit from the cell cycle. Okay, so it will be our correct answer. Also, take a look at option D, absence of Golgi body. Golgi body performs the function of packaging and delivering of proteins. Okay, they are not significant in cell division. Okay, so our correct answer will be option C. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.